If you're brave enough to start, you're strong enough to finish.
You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball.
Well, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. So, wait, before I go any further, you guys know exactly what I'm about to say. If you are not one of my subscribers, I'm going to pause right now, and everyone that's watching is going to go ahead and join this family. Pause. Okay, now since everyone is part of the family, today you guys, I'm gonna be doing another one of my affordable wigs try on and style videos. You guys, I'm having so much fun with these wigs in this series. I'm so excited about it. You guys seem to really love it and I enjoy doing it. So today you guys, I have a $10 wig. That's right. That's right. The last wig was $13. This wig is $10. Okay? So you guys were like, oh my God, what is this? She's about to pull out this bag for $10. I am here to show you that you know what? You can get affordable wigs and you can make them look good, honey. It's just all about playing around with them and coming up with the right style for them. So this one here is a lot more in my comfort zone. It's a brown, a lighter brown than I normally get, but nothing like the other wig, right? But that's what I'm here to do is get out of my comfort zone sometimes and just try different styles and colors. So you guys, we're gonna open this baby up together. So as you can see, this is a $10 wig from my local Diana's. Let's see. This baby has a name. All of them has name. I was gonna name her myself, depending on the style, which I think I still am. They named her Cynthia. I'm not quite sure if she's a Cynthia. Once I put it on, I'm gonna rename those wigs because I want them to be, when I put them on me, it's like a part of me, right? So therefore, I'm gonna give them my own name as far as how I feel once I have her on. So she is a LS4 27, which is like a brown with like kind of like chestnut highlights in it. She has bangs, so another bang wig. Bangs are really popular right now. It says finest wig, Manhattan style, Cynthia. That's what the little barcode thing says. Okay, you guys. So we're gonna take what? Like I don't know why my messages pop up while I'm doing videos. I'm gonna have to fix that, seriously. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna take her out the paper. Ooh, isn't she pretty? Oh wow. She's not bad for $10, huh? Not bad. Oh, Cynthia's coming through, right? Cynthia is coming through. Normally I buy the displays, but today you guys I was in a hurry and I didn't buy the display. So um first we're gonna cut the tag off of Cynthia. Okay. Okay. Cynthia does have the adjustable straps, and like I said, one thing about these cheap wigs, they do have the adjustable straps. A lot of times, cheaper wigs don't have the adjustable straps. So this is always a plus when you have the adjustable strap, so you can adjust it to fit your head size. So I'm just gonna move it over kind of like maybe toward the middle. Hold on, you guys, I'm gonna turn the TV down. Hold on just a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna move it over toward the middle and hook it. And she's a little shiny. You know how I am about shine. And like I said, I forgot totally to get the display model. I normally get the display model, but I was rushing today. So I'm going to just brush her a little bit. Just to kind of maybe knock off just a little bit of that shine. You know, a lot of times that brushing will kind of make it look more fluffier. See, it's already working. See, it just brings out those curls and just, it looks a lot fluffier and not so just shiny. I mean, this hair is not bad for $10, you guys. Not at all. Let me let you get it close. Look at this hair. It reminds me of a Yaki hair. $10? Oh my gosh, like look at this. Um, Not bad hair at all for $10. Now we gotta see how Cynthia looks on it. And I also get underneath there and turn it over and brush it. Because I want it to be really fluffy. I want to shake it, if you know what I mean. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to put on my stocking cap and we're going to get ready to put Cynthia on and play with Cynthia. Okay, you guys, so I have my stocking cap on and we're going to put Cynthia on. Are you guys ready for Cynthia? I'm ready for Cynthia. Okay, so, you guys, I always pull the stocking cap down too low. And I need to go get my mirror. What am I thinking about? I'm going to have to go get my mirror. So, okay, you guys, so I'm pulling the wig on. Okay, let's adjust. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna play with it just a little bit before I start styling her. So I'm liking the bangs. Hold on, I don't think I pulled all of it out. Okay. A lot of times wigs has like a little bit of a point at the top, and you can like get the flat iron and go over it, or you can. A lot of times I get like a little hairpin and just kind of pull it down a little bit and put the hairpin under the wig to kind of make it keep from kind of bubbling on top. Okay, so you can see the back in the mirror. That's one reason why I love doing the wigs right here, because you can see the back of the hair. Okay, you guys, so if I just want to wear her regular, this is how I would wear her, which, you know, is okay. You know me, which is cute, you know. Not bad. I kind of took some of the bang and kind of went this way with it. I'm loving this color. Like, I never thought I would like this color this much, but I really, really like this color. Okay, you guys, so today I have a brush, I have the wide tooth comb, I have the small to medium comb, I have scrunchies, and I have hairpins and little rubber bands. And I could not find all my little rubber bands, so we're gonna have to just kind of make do. Okay, you guys, so of course, you know what I'm thinking. I definitely want to go up in the middle. I'm thinking, yes, definitely up to kind of bring out these bangs. Just something about the bangs with like the half up, half down style. I don't know, it's so cute to me. Okay, so you guys, first I'm just gonna pull it up in the middle. Right, I forgot hair. And I'm going to, I'll pull a little piece down to kind of camouflage the vibes. Yes, I'm really loving this hair. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it up in the middle for a ponytail. Okay, so I'm gonna use this little stretchy. And I'm just gonna, all I'm gonna do is put it up higher up ponytail. And then I'm just gonna brush through it. And a little extra. So normally when I do a ponytail, I normally go back and stick a hairpin in it. Because when you do this, it just makes, see how the ponytail just kind of without the hairpin, it just kind of slumps down. Where are my hairpins? Okay, but when you put a hairpin in it, it just kind of gives it that height. So I'm going to put a hairpin through it. And this way, it'll just kind of make it higher. Something I ran across over the years just to give it a little bit of height. See the difference? See, it just kind of sticks up more. And then I'm just going to kind of pull out the little curls. Okay, you guys. I'm so loving this. I'm so loving this. Oh, wow. Cynthia is coming through. Oh, I'm trying to think of a name for her. I don't know if I want to keep her Cynthia, but I don't know. I can't think of anything else. Okay, let me loosen up this side so I won't be... Oh, Cynthia. Am I going to stick with Cynthia? What do you guys think? Should I stick with Cynthia? Or should I call her, Alyssa? No, not Alyssa. I think I want to call her Sasha. Hello, Sasha. I am in love with you, Sasha. You're so pretty, Sasha. So you guys, that's the first look. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. I'm loving these little swoopy bangs, right? Okay. Okay, so another thing you could do if you don't want the ponytail like just hanging, you could take the hairpins out and then you could get this ponytail part and you could tease it. Just kind of make it full as you can and then make a ball. So now you're at this point, you're just gonna pin. I'm gonna try to look right here. I keep looking both places, but I got a mirror right in front of me. Flip these over. Oh, energy. Okay, you guys. Can you see it in the bag? This ball came out so good. You know I have to do it a couple times, but Sasha is doing so good. She's so obedient. Sasha. Hey guys, this is the second look with Sasha, formerly known as Cynthia, but her new owner. Okay, you guys. Sasha, formerly known as Cynthia. She is showing out. I'm loving her, right? Sasha girl, you $10 girl. You are showing out, honey. You are showing out, Sasha. Let's see if I can do something else with the bangs. Hold on, I love when they start swooping and stuff. So I like playing around with the bangs. Me and Sasha has definitely formed a bond. She's my girl now. Okay, you guys, so this is look 2. Okay, so now I'm gonna do one more look with Sasha. I'm having so much fun with Sasha, right? Okay, so I think I know what I want to do with Sasha. And these are all 3 of these look I think are kind of be similar, but they're still very different. I'm thinking. Okay, you guys, so I had to do a side pony with Sasha Because Sasha is the cutest ever, right? Okay, yeah. So, hiding her up a little bit by using this large hairpin and putting the hairpin through the top of the ponytail, which will make Sasha go higher. And then I'm gonna kind of swoop the bangs. I might have to go back and get another Sasha for $10, you know, so when this one mess up, I can have another Sasha in my life. Cause I'm really loving Sasha. So, let me tease her a little more. This was a bonus look because I'm just having so much fun with Sasha. So this is gonna be, oh, look at Sasha. Oh my goodness, Sasha. You are a gem, Sasha. Sasha is officially my girl. Me and Sasha have officially made an unbreakable bond. I am in love with Sasha, and Sasha's in love with me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I had so much fun styling Sasha. I love the color. I love the texture of the hair. She's really easy to style, really easy to manage. Maybe you can try your local beauty supply store. I noticed on the tag it has Manhattan style, and then it also has a website, which is www.june, which is JUNE fashion.com. And she's Cynthia FS427. For anyone who's maybe interested in her, she's only $10. And I'm going to put her information down below for someone who may want her. At the store that I went in, she was the only color that was available at the time. At one time, the lady said she did come in different colors, but this was the only color that was left, which I'm so glad I ended up with this color, right? I'm really loving this color. As you wear synthetic wigs, you'll see the shine and kind of diminish daily. So that's one thing about it. The more you wear it, the more it starts looking like your hair. So I'm just so excited to see what Sasha's gonna look like at the end of the week. Cause I don't plan on taking Sasha out. I love you, my YouTube family. Until next time. Oh yeah, do not forget I have a new channel now, which is Tawanda Thoughts. Is it Tawanda Thoughts? Tawanda Thoughts Exactly. Tawanda Thoughts Exactly. It's going to be all about reaction videos. It's going to be a lot of fun. So right now I don't have any videos posted, but I would love if you go ahead and subscribe. So when I do post a video, you will be the first one to see it in your news feed. Turn on that bell, and until next time, I love you guys.